A customer came in with a complaint that their check engine light was on. To diagnose the issue, I connected a scan tool to the vehicle and retrieved the code 2AAF, fuel pump overtemperature condition. This code typically indicates a problem with the fuel pump, such as overheating or failure, which can affect fuel delivery to the engine. To verify the problem, I connected a fuel pressure gauge to the fuel rail to measure the fuel pressure. The gauge showed that the fuel pressure was below the specified 72 psi, confirming that the fuel pump was not delivering fuel at the required pressure. Next, I performed a thorough inspection of the fuel pump wiring harness and connector to look for visible damage, corrosion, or loose connections. However, everything appeared to be in good condition. With the ignition on and the engine off, I used a multimeter to check for voltage and ground at the fuel pump connector. Both voltage and ground were present, indicating that the pump was receiving the necessary power. To investigate further, I connected a lab scope to the fuel pump to measure its electrical signal. The signal pattern was erratic, which confirmed that the fuel pump was not functioning properly. This behavior suggested internal damage or overheating, preventing the pump from maintaining consistent fuel pressure. A properly functioning fuel pump is critical for delivering the right amount of fuel to the engine at the correct pressure. When the pump fails, it can cause issues such as poor engine performance, hard starting, or even engine stalling. To resolve the issue, I replaced the faulty fuel pump with a new one. After completing the replacement, I cleared the diagnostic codes using the scan tool and performed a road test to verify the repair. The vehicle operated smoothly, maintained proper fuel pressure, and the check engine light did not return. By systematically diagnosing the problem and confirming the root cause, I ensured that the fuel system was restored to its proper functionality. Replacing the fuel pump resolved the customer's concern and ensured the vehicle could perform reliably and efficiently.